Okay, so hey guys. So today I'm gonna find all these creatures. So probably get all these stones away. So I need to find a playground ghost. Cow, hey, stop a minute. And like, okay. And a clockwise jack. And closet creep, lonely creature, meat grinder, basement dweller. Okay, so let's find a playground ghost. Okay, how am I gonna? Okay, so let's go find a playground ghost. So this is like a playground, this place, but it's really not. And then they're pretty close to us, so going wait here. I think I found him. Hello? Hello? This one? Wait. Okay, see, I told you, there's a knockdown baseball thing, or whatever, what do you want to call it? And I think that was the playground ghost. So let's just probably go. What was that? Okay, okay. Okay, I guess he wasn't in here. So, okay, so we're not gonna find it because that was creepy. So from part 1, I found day 17, whatever. Yeah, and now, it's like, yes, subscribe to Jim Play's channel. Because he made like a lot of Trevor Henderson Creature shows, and I love it. And now we need to find Cow. We actually need to find Cow. Wait, no, is this serious? Will there be a Trevor Henderson Creature named Cow? I don't understand. Saw you, Martha, if I capture you. Oh my god. Okay, I'm probably gonna put it where it was. In this world, purpose of light. Okay, so now I need to go find Cow. Okay. So hold on. We're back. Okay. So you know what? Okay, now I need to find Cow. Okay, I have a good idea. Cow's killing me. Okay, so go find Cow. Okay, so probably around. Oh, what is that? Something's pulling on me. What is that? I can move. Oh my god. My arm can't move. What? So I guess we found them. Okay, now I need to find... Hey man, stop a minute. Lost my eyes. There's someone on the ground. Please find them, please. That's just what he says. And so, if you find chalk in the middle of the woods, that means it. Hey man, stop a minute. What? Right here. Right here.
You want to help me get some dirt out of the hot tub?
No.
You can stand in there if you want. It's only up to your knees.
Oh no, sorry, I'm just doing my Trevor Henderson Creature videos. Okay, yeah, so I found them. Where's my jack? What's easy? He's like... Okay, I found them. And I need to climb up here. Yeah, because he's like that small. So, see, you can... Oh crap. Got this. Yeah, and also he can go like this small, so... Haha, I can't do it! You stupid thing! You stupid guy! You stupid! There he is right there! Okay, now why am I flying clockwise, Jack? That's annoying. Yeah, now I'll call the creep. So this is inside the house. Okay, let's go. Okay, so probably in here it's closet creep. Okay, so it's closet creep. Oh my god, I need to get out of here. Help me! Help me! Help me!
Why?
Closet creep is killing me!
No! No! Drag him out!
Okay, okay. Okay, that was pretty creepy, that creature. Okay, I'm probably gonna close this.
Closets are evil, that's why you don't go in them.
Okay, so... Ow! Ah! Ah! What? Wait. Yes. Okay, so what else do we need to find? Okay. So, this is just grabbing me. I can hit me right in the face. Okay. Lonely creature. Okay. So I need to find... Oh God, I can help me. Ah! Oh my God, ow, ow, I can't stand up. Okay. The phone. Okay. Ow. Oh, over here. Now a meat grinder. Nope. No. We're not doing that. Ah, a stupid. No. Oh God. What? He's kickable. He's like a tree. Yes. Okay, so that was pretty easy to kill. And now, basement dweller. Okay, this is worth the piece. the paper like an animal. Okay, now I need to find basement door, so don't get this going for a minute because it's really dirty down here. What was that? Ah! Okay, I'm good tonight. I love you guys so much. Yeah, this is what he does. It's kind of fun. Oh my god. A blood doesn't kill you. He's actually a friendly creature. So bye bye guys.